Hello friends, welcome to the today's session. In this session, we are going to deal the previous year GATE questions on joints topic. What kind of questions are being asked so far, we will look at, and we also try to prove some questions using shortcut tips. So let's crack it. The previous year GATE questions on joints. As usually, our anthem is Crack GATE and ESE with India's largest learning academy, none other than Unacademy. Get Plus subscription and access unlimited live and recorded lectures. So use my referral code to get the admission into Unacademy. You will get 10% off by applying my referral code. So let's crack GATE CSE. Use my referral code Sankara and subscribe to YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for latest updates. Let's crack the first question. The question is given like this. That is, consider the join of the relation R with the relation S. If R has m tuples and S has n tuples, then what is the maximum and minimum size of the join respectively? So you can say whenever he not mentioned about natural join or any kind of a join, then you can simply say that he is asking us to prove Cartesian product. So we know the rules and regulations of Cartesian product such that whenever there are m tuples in one relation and n tuples in other relation, he is asking what is the maximum size of your R and S and minimum size of R and S. So the poll is like this. You can all answer to this. I will give certain timing. Don't give your answer in the comments. At the end, we will discuss the answer. So take your time. So consider the relation R and S. We would like to see that what is the maximum and minimum size of the join of R and S respectively. So you all give an answer before the timing only. Excellent. So you're all guessing the answer is like this. So let us check that how many of you people completed with exact answer. Very nice. So look at your scoreboard. Very nice. Now our answer is mn and m plus n. Is it right? Why you cannot choose this option D? Because your minimum of R and S whenever there are no tuples in any either of the relation, then we can say that we cannot able to do any kind of a mapping. Therefore, the answer we go for 0 as the minimum and maximum is m into n. So we are in a doubt that either is the option B or option D, then we choose that option B is the correct answer. So come to the next question. This is a previously asked by IIT Delhi question. This is now you can answer. So consider the following relations students and enroll where the primary keys are underlined. The number of tuples in the student and enroll are 120 and 8 respectively. So what are the maximum and minimum number of tuples that can be present in a student star enroll? where star is nothing but natural join. So let us take the poll. I hope so you might have analyzed the question. Forty seconds left. Don't be hurry. Think properly. What will be the answer to this question? Use the shortcuts which I taught in the joins concept earlier. Use those shortcut tips. Yeah. So what will be the answer, friends? Please, all of you in online also you can participate this quiz. What is your answer? So those who do not have an Academy student learning app, you can watch through YouTube. So, so everybody did excellent. So what is our answer? So just you need to identify which one is the master table and which one is the child table. So we can say, we can say like this that as this is your primary key, you said that primary keys are underlined. This is your primary key, and you say that this is your primary key, and this roll number is using as a foreign key. Therefore, your composite key is this time roll number and course number, which means you can understand the enroll table is your child instance. Therefore, what do we understand? Student is a master instance, enroll is a child instance. In natural join, the minimum and maximum size of join always depends upon your child instance. So as the enroll has 8 tuples, therefore your answer is 8 comma 8. Minimum you will get 8 tuples, maximum also you will get 8 tuples, because every child value is a subset or equivalent to your master value. So come to the next question. This is a IIT Madras question based on natural join. So first analyze the question, then I will give timer. So loan is the instance is given, which consists borrower, bank manager, loan amount. Then what is the output of this query? What is the query? Select count star, select count star, where select borrower comma manager from loan record as yes, natural join, select bank manager comma loan amount from loan records. A single table is split into double tables. Now you need to understand carefully what is the natural join number of rows. That number of rows is being considered as a count only. So he's asking what will be the count. Either 3 rows you will get, or 9 rows you will get, or 5 rows you get, or 6 rows you get. So let me give you now poll. So once again, analyze the question carefully. Don't type your answers. At the end of the poll only, we will discuss the answer. This is an excellent question which is given for 2 marks in the earlier GATE examination by IIT Madras. Now, please take the poll now. This is your poll. I'm giving you 60 seconds. Don't hurry. Observe, analyze the question properly, because SQL compulsory you will get 2 marks question, no doubt. So what will be the answer this question? So don't hurry. Analyze this. Use the knowledge of what I shared in the joins concept of my previous lecture. Yeah. Last 10 seconds. Anybody? This is a typical question. I too agree, but you can solve it. You can solve it. You can solve it. Crack it, crack it. See, yeah, bus. Now, so I will explain, don't worry. You can see your scoreboard. So many of you, so hello Saurav Chaudhary. Please once WhatsApp to my number 8790520520. There I will discuss with you. Okay. Now, now let us analyze the question like this. What is that? This loan is divided into two table instances. One table is S, one table is T. The columns of S is borrower and bank manager. Borrower and bank manager. And the next two columns are bank manager and the loan amount. Bank manager and the loan amount. So now you see borrower, it is a Ramesh, and it is a Suresh, and it is a Mahesh. Please observe how to analyze this answer. And here branch manager is Sundarajan and Ram Gopal and Sundarajan. Here also branch manager same, Sundarajan here and Suresh here and Mahesh here. And the loan amount is a 10k, and this is a 5k, and this is a 7k. Now you observe carefully. He asks you to perform natural join. We don't know what is master and what is child table. Please observe carefully. We don't know what is master and what is a child table because primary key and foreign keys are not mentioned. Then in that case, we know how to map them. How to map them? Natural join, consider a common column. So what is your common column? This is your common column. This and this, we want to take it. Now map it. Sundar is matched to this Sundar, and Sundar cannot map with Suresh, and Sundar cannot map with this Mahesh. Therefore, you can map only one time this first record. And the second record, you understand here. And Ram, you please observe, this is Sundar, and this is not Mahesh. This is also Sundar. So, therefore, I can map it. That means Ramesh can able to map two times, one time here and one time here. So, two times. Next record Suresh and Ram, and this guy is Ram here, and therefore you say this Ram can map here, and Sundar can map here, and Sundar can map here. Therefore, you got 5 mappings. You observe all 5 mappings are unique tuples only. If any tuple is not unique, immediately you can cut off it, then you can reduce the number of tuples here. So from this and from this, you got 5 tuples and your count is nothing but here 5 only. Clear, friends? So many of you did excellent answer. And here you are telling that Sundar and Sundar they have come twice. No problem. You please observe the table now. What is your table? You look at that entry is very clear. Ramesh, please observe. So please here Ramesh and Sundar one time 10,000. Please observe. This Sundar with 10,000. Again Ramesh and Sundar this time is mapping with a 7k. Therefore, those entries are different. Next entries are Mahesh and Suresh, not Ramesh. So this is the Mahesh and Sundar and next one 10k. Again we will get Mahesh and Sundar we got 7k. Therefore, all are different. So that tuple, complete tuple is a unique tuple which is not appeared before and which is not appeared at last. So we have to consider all 4 tuples. Okay. So let's crack the next question. This is your 2015 ISC Bangalore question. Please comment this way. Analyze this question carefully. R of ABC. This is a full natural outer join. Observe carefully. This is a outer join, full natural outer join, which consists of this R of ABC is being developed using one AB and one AC. After combining it, you got ABC. So he is asking in full outer join. That's what I am writing here to better understand. This AB and this AC are merged together. So your merging becomes what? ABC. But this merging they did full outer join merging. So in full outer join, what are the tuples you are going to get in ABC? Please understand carefully. So how many tuples you are going to get after merging ABC? ABC is nothing but full outer natural join. It is a full outer join. So what are the tuples are going to come? He has given few tuples. In A 1 5 null, B 1 null 7, C 3 null 9, and D is like this, E is like this, F is like this, G is like this. How many will come into this table? How many will come into this table? Please understand it is outer join, full outer join. So both sides face will open. Both sides face will open. So first write the common data, then write the remaining data which is at the left hand side, then write the remaining data which is at the right hand side because full outer join is mentioned. Yeah. So one of our old friend replied with one option. Excellent. Thank you. So let me give, already you have analyzed it. Let me give the options. So this is your option, do it. Excellent. So within a few seconds, people could able to do it. Very nice, very nice. Good doing. Yeah. So last 1 second. So many of you did the answer. Thank you. So please look at your scoreboard. So this is how the people are responded. I think so. You don't have any doubt, right? It's a completely you got the clarity how you could able to do what I mean to say full outer join. Clear? So you're all given option as what? EFG, not AB. What is EFG? It is a 157 and 37 null. 37 and null, and next one 4 null 9. Okay. So come to next question. This is your 2004 gate bit from IIT Delhi. Observe carefully. There are two tables, student, which consist of roll number, name, department ID. Department ID is a foreign key. And the department table consists department ID is a unique key, department name, which means master table is a department, child table is your student. And the common column between them is your department ID. Now understand, they have inserted 5 records like this. So 2 are inserted in department table and 3 are inserted in student table. So these are all belongs to student and the top 2 are belongs to department table. After inserting those rows into the corresponding tables like department and student, we want to see that this is a query. Select star from student S, comma department D, where S dot department ID not equal to D dot department ID and student dot department ID not equal to 2. So much practice is required to answer this kind of questions. What may be your answer? So let me give you poll. So don't worry about my answer. Please solve your end. What is your answer? So this is the poll. So I'm giving you 60 seconds. You know, first student S comma department ID will give you Cartesian product. From there you cut and write the query. Very nice. Jayesh Mishra responded. Excellent. So look at the scoreboard. So this is the scoreboard. So you people did. So any doubt friends here? Can I explain? Anybody? You need my help? Anybody? Yeah, doubt? Can I explain this? Please respond. Can I explain? Yeah, 1C, please. Yeah, please listen. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please listen. There is a department table. Just you need to analyze it, bus. As you are attempting first time, no? So that's why you are feeling bit tricky. But you observe. You have to write everything on pen and paper. It doesn't take much more than 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, you can solve this. So the values are given in a student table as like this: 1 maths, 2 physics in department table, and student table 1 Naveen and 1 is the department ID, 2 Mukesh and 2 is the department ID, 3 Geeta and 1 is the department ID. As last column is the department ID. So now we know that the common is here. This is your common. Clear? So now you observe, this is your primary key and this is your foreign key. So you can easily map. So the query is like this: select star from student S comma department D, which is nothing but Cartesian product. But he specified a condition, join condition. What is that? Where S dot department number not equal to D dot department number. Therefore, once you map it, you are going to get 10 tuples. These two tuples are multiplied with these three tuples. So 2, 3, 6 tuples you are going to get. So what are the 6 tuples? Let me write: 1 maths, 1 Naveen, with 1 is a 1 mapping. This is the first row. And the second row is 1 math, 2 Mukesh with 2. And the third row, once again, 1 maths, 3 Geeta with 1. This is the first 1 maths is mapped with 3 times. Next, fourth row also 2 physics and 2 physics and 2 physics, which comes thrice. 1 Naveen and 1 is the number. Next 2 Mukesh, 2 is the number. Next 3 Geeta, and what is the number? Geeta number is also 1. Now he said that department ID not equals to 2. Now you cut off some tuples where student or department ID is not equal to 2. Not equal to 2 means, please observe here, this is not equal to 2. This is equal to 2, right? So this is not going to come and this is not going to come. So you are going to get how many rows here? Please understand, student ID not equal to 2, and one more thing he asked that S dot department ID is not equal to D dot department ID. You please observe your department ID here, this is a 1, and here this is also matched. So we want to eliminate this. And next one, this is the department number 1 and this is not equal. So you can consider this row, afterwards we will eliminate, leave it. Next one, this is a 1 and this is a matched. So he is asking not equal to number. So this is a equal, you can leave it. Now next one, this is your 2 and this is your 1. So you are going to get this tuple here. And next one, this is a 2 and this is a 2. It is also equal, so you can eliminate it. And next one, this tuple. What is that? 2 is not equal to 1. So you got these tuples. Once you got these tuples, from there you need to see that your department ID is not equal to 2. So not equal to 2 means what? You please observe. Your student dot department ID is not equal to 2. Not equal to 2 means from there you got the few rows. What are the few rows you got? This row and this guy you get, and next row we get 2 with 1. Please observe carefully. 2 with 1, and next one we get last one 2 with 1. Clear? Now you understand. Is student dot department ID not is equal to 2. Not is equal to 2 means what? Please observe carefully. Not is equal to 2 means you will get this and you will get this. Therefore, we are going to get 2 rows. So how many are responded with 2 rows? How many are responded with 2 rows? Any doubt in this? Can I explain once again? Yeah, no, it's not required. It's not required. In exam, it's not required to construct that much long. Just you analyze it. I am just writing entire thing for your explanation. You can say very clearly using internal mapping you can do. So how I am doing internal mapping? Ek baar dekho. Now I am saying internal mapping like this. So please see this one is saying that very clearly department ID is equal to department ID is not equal to D dot department ID. This is your 1 now. This is your 1. So you won't get it. Directly you can write. This is your 1. This is your 2. Therefore it is not equal. Then you will get this and this. This is your 1 and this is your 1. So you don't get it. Leave it. Next mapping. This is your 2. This is your 1. We need. What is that? 2 with 1. This is your 2. This is your 2. We don't require because not equal to we want. This is your 2, this is your 1. We need require 2, 1. And one more condition is said. What is that? Department ID not equal to 2. This is not equal to 2. That's why we got this record and this record. Clear? Surabhi, this is how you need to do internal mapping. Just explanation purpose, I have written completely table. Okay? So let's crack next question. This is, please analyze this. So what is your answer? So the table is given here. Raj 80 marks, Rohit 70, Raj 75, Rohit 80, Raj 65, Chaitu 80. What the query? Understand carefully. Student name, comma, sum of marks from student, group by student dot student name. Last session we learned how you could able to do group by. So some are responded. Now let us see the poll now. Yeah, very good. Good doing. Very nice. So we get answers as we are doing group by student dot student name. So we need to write it, student name. Okay. Anyhow, let me check all your answers. Maybe all you did excellent, correct. So this is your scoreboard, right? Yeah. So any doubt here? No doubt now. So I'm moving on to next question. Ready? All of you? Yeah. So let's go it. Come to the next question. This is ISC Bangalore question. Please observe. You will to see the tables now. Student table. 1 Raj, student name. 2 Rohit. And 3 Raj. That is the first table. Yeah, okay. Then let me give you poll. Don't give answers. Let me give you poll. And one more request, you all participate on a marathon session, which is on maybe 4th August. So please participate. The timings are 10 to 1. Full complete syllabus on DBMS, around 40 questions I will give you. So please participate in marathon session. Those who added today, don't forget that. So take the poll. What about others? Please respond, please. Yeah, last 5 seconds. Yeah, look at your scoreboard. So, very nice. Excellently doing. Good. So, the answer is all of you. The answer you're all guessing. So, many people they guess that the answer is 3. Many people they guess that answer is 3, but that is wrong. Why? Because Raj and Raj is together is clustered. So, your final is Raj and Rohit only. You're going to get 2 records. Okay. So, let's crack next question. This is a 2018 GATE question. Observe carefully. This is a full outer join. All end joins are given. Inner join means natural join. Left outer join. Right outer join. Full outer join. So understand the question carefully. Which one of the queries above is certain to have an output that is superset to all the remaining queries? The result is a superset to all the above queries or all the below queries. So let me give the poll. Yeah, excellent. Very nice. Nice doing. Anirudh Pant, good year. You are very good. Good in SQL. But don't go away. I will also see uh, your capability in the next 5 questions. Ready, all of you? So your answer is what? Very simple. Full outer join is going to give you. Full outer join is going to give you much more data sets than the others. How simple? 2018 GATE question is very simple. Question paper is also very simple. But let us see the next level questions. This is your question. Analyze this. So this T table is being built from R and S. This T table is built on R and S. Now this output have been produced by just using R and S. Either it may be cross product or it may be natural join, it may be left outer join, it may be full outer join. So which one? This question mark is what? With which you are going to replace these question marks? Either cross product use or natural join or left outer join, full outer join. Observe the result. Okay. So this is the result. The T is the table result which is doing after performing some operation on R and S. This is the result set is being produced. So which is correct? Did you do natural join between R and S, or or did you do left outer join, or did you do full outer join? So that's what my question. Answer it. I'm also guessing. I don't know answer, but I'm guessing. Yeah, very nice. Nice doing. One of our friend also joined, Sono Singh. So many of you got completed your answer. Good doing. Last 5 seconds. So anybody wants to participate, you can participate it. Yeah. Look at your scoreboard. This is your scoreboard. Okay. So all of you did well. Let us go to the next question. I hope so you don't have any doubts, right? Let's go to the next question. Let's crack it. This is your question. So analyze the performance table. See that this query is on that. How many rows will come? I'm giving you poll. Okay. Take your time. No problem. So last 20 seconds. Please post the answer. I want a sum of P dot marks where P dot marks less than 90. And I said that group by subject dot P code. This is very important. Group by subject dot P code. Okay. So are you ready to see the result? Look at. So this is your result. Any doubt, friends, in this? Can I explain? Any doubt? Any doubt here? Can I explain this? Yeah, because very nice. Because first we are trying to identify that marks less than 90. So the marks less than 90, this guy will come, and this guy will come, and this guy will come. And we are trying to do group by using subject code. So we got result 1A 86, and we got next one 2A 89. Next we have result 3C 80. As you are grouping on subject code, this is your subject code, and now they are being clustered together. So you will get finally A and C. So 86 plus 89 will be summation, and 80 will be separately displayed. Okay. So let's crack the next question. This is your 2010 GATE question. Analyze this. Use whatever I taught in the last session about the joins. Implement that knowledge. Give me correct answer. Okay. So he is asking maximum number of tuples of R natural join yes. Take the poll. Last 5 seconds. Yeah, very nice. Nicely done. So this is your result. Please look at. This is your result. Okay. Everybody seen now your scoreboard. So what is your answer? You're all given option A. I hope so. You don't have any doubts here, right? All of you. No doubts now? Yeah, thank you. Because I couldn't see all so it is you need to give some kind of expression. That's it. You all can see me, but I am unfortunate to see all of you. Very unfortunate. I am unable to see all your faces. So let's go to the next question. Let's crack it. Now observe this question carefully. Okay. Can I start the poll? I'm starting the poll, right? So nice guessing from all of you. Very good. Good guess. Last one second. So look at your scoreboard. Okay. Now one see. So somebody has doubt. Listen. So I want to put it like this. R consists of ABC and some tuples are there inside, and S consists of BDE and some tuples are there inside. So R has got 200 rows, S has got 100 rows. Please observe. So I want to do R natural join S, and some dependencies are given to you, C to A and A to B. So by finding a C closure, you will get CAB. Therefore, C is a candidate key to R because these dependencies are belongs to R only, not to the S. So when I say C is the candidate key and this side C is not there, please understand, this side C is not there. If C is there, I can consider it and I can come to know that as this is being highlighted as it is a primary key, if there is a common column is there, then I could able to guess that okay, there is a foreign key common column is there. But here no such kind of C available. Then in that case, we know what is the rule? If there is no common between R and S, then you all can say that R natural join S is equal to R cross S. As there is no common column in this, then your answer is what? R cross S. Yes, it is a Cartesian product. Therefore, 100 tuples will be multiplied with 200. You will get 2000 combinations. Okay, friends? Let us go to next question. Let's crack it. So, understand this. There are two tables, student and performance. And the primary key of the student table is roll number, and the roll number and the subject code together is a primary key here. And see the query. Select S dot student name comma sum of P dot marks from student S comma performance P, where S dot roll number is equal to P dot roll number and P dot marks greater than 84, group by S dot student name. Okay. So analyze this question carefully. Okay. So take a poll now. So don't look at my answer. I am also guessing. You also guess it. You try to do yourself. I am giving poll, right? Yeah. Last 10 seconds. Very nice. Very nice. Excellent. Sonu Singh also joined with us. This is your result. Okay, friends. Now tell me any doubt there. Explain. Please see. Let me explain. So it is giving two rows. Yeah. Let us see it. Yeah, I know it. I know. Thank you for joining session. Now you see. So we are trying to use roll number versus roll number. So here roll number is as this is a foreign key, right? As this is a foreign key, one existed, one existed, one existed, two existed, two existed, three existed. Every foreign key value is existed in your roll number. Okay. Now, therefore, our target is only performance table only. So this condition is satisfied. Now P dot marks greater than 84. Greater than 84 means this will come. Greater than 84, greater than 84, greater than 84, greater than 84. This won't come, right? So what are the, now this time you need to do what? Group by student dot student name. What are the student dot student name? Please understand. Now we got one, three ones, and we got twos, and this one is not going to come. So 1 is nothing but who? Amit. And 2 is nothing but what? Priya. So finally our answer is what? 2 rows. Clear? 5 rows. No, no, no. 5 rows, but you observe this. Actually, if this is not there, for example, if this group by, please understand, if group by s dot student name is not there, then your answer is that 1 2 3 4 5 only, no doubt. I too agree, but he said very clearly student dot name you need to do. So come to the student dot name. This ones are belongs to Amit and twos are belongs to Priya, therefore they will be clustered together. You got Amit and Priya only. For example, if you ask group by subject dot code, group by subject dot code, then you will get different answers. What is that? One time you will get A clustering and B clustering and C clustering, A clustering and C clustering. You will get 3 rows. So based on the column group, you have to do it. Okay. So let's crack next question. Sorry. This is one of your previous gate question. So student, course, grade. 3 tables are there. Roll number is a primary key. Course number is a primary key. And please observe carefully. This roll number is coming here as a foreign key. This course number is coming here as a foreign key. Now this is your composite primary key. Okay. Now you study the query carefully. Select a distinct name from student, courses, grades, where student dot roll number is equal to grades dot roll number, and course dot instructor is equal to course, and course dot roll number is equal to grades dot roll number, and grade is equal to A. You understand one thing here carefully. So this equijoin you can eliminate it. Why you can eliminate it? Every one of grade value is subject to your course as well as to your student. It automatically exists. Every foreign key value is existed to your primary key value. You need to look at now this condition only. So course dot instructor is equal to course and grades dot grade is equal to A. So what is the options? Ready? Take answer. Very nice. Good, good. Very nice. Excellent. So if you're able to answer this question, you are very good. Last 8 seconds. Excellent. So look at your scoreboards. So this is your scoreboard. Okay. So very nice. Very well done. So come to This one already we did. Okay. I will give one question. Please understand carefully. This is my own assumption. R of AB has, please understand friends, 100 rows. S of AC has 200 rows. What is R union? Yes. What is the minimum value of the tuple set? What is the maximum value of the tuple set? R union S. What is the minimum value? Minimum rows is one of your net gate question, net question. You can check it. What is the minimum value of R union S? What is the maximum value of R union S? Please post answer. Minimum 100, maximum 200, 100 and 200, 0 comma 2000. Yeah. Okay. So one more question I will give. R of M comma N. Don't ask answers. Huh? Answers I will teach on relational algebra class. That is the day after tomorrow class. Now you see, yes, M comma P. Now I am saying R has 100 rows and S has 0 rows. What is R intersect S? Minimum how much? Maximum how much? Please type your answers. Please type your answers. Very nice. Guess it, your answer like that. Okay. If I am saying same question, if I am saying R minus S, please answer. What is the minimum value? What is the maximum value? R minus S. What is your minimum value? What is your maximum value? If I am saying, please understand, let us go to the next question. Good. All are thinking, good analyzation you all are having. I am saying R of AB, S of AC, this is your primary key, this is your foreign key, this has got 1000 rows, and this has got, please observe carefully, this has got 500 rows. If I am saying R minus S, what is how many rows? Dash rows. This is your first question. Second question is your gate question. You can check it 2012, 2004. Both year IIT Delhi only conducted. Same question is repeated. What is S minus R? Dash rows. R minus S dash rows. S minus R dash rows. Please respond from your comment. R minus S is dash rows. S minus R is dash rows. So R minus S 500, S minus R 0. Okay, friends. So very nice analyzation. Just I want to test you whether you people are all eligible for GATE examination or any kind of competitive examination or not. Good doing, good doing. So 90% you're all in the race of the GATE examination only. Please use this COVID-19 issue so that this time number of preparation candidates are less because of only online. There is no offline. Offline means you see that thousands of students I used to see every weekend, Saturday, Sunday in Kolkata or Mumbai or Pune across India. But since this is online, very few people are taking only what I mean to say training. So please use this opportunity and try to get success. Just give little bit of effort. Your all analyzation is excellent. Just to test these questions I put you. In that some answers are wrong, but some one or two are correct. So answer these questions. We will see day after tomorrow there is a class on relational algebra. Tomorrow class is on subqueries, which is running on YouTube from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Evening we will do questionnaire on subqueries from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Day after tomorrow relational algebra from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. YouTube, and 7 p.m. I do questionnaire. Don't miss that questionnaire. So in that you will get answers for these questions. Okay, so marathon topics complete syllabus. So already my YouTube lectures are there, YouTube videos are there which are posted on YouTube. Please once you go through it, complete marathon just after relational algebra class. The timings are 10 to 1. Please participate. You will get different kinds of questions which are different from GATE. I may not give from GATE question. I'm preparing my own question paper. You please answer it. So when is marathon? After relational algebra class. Tomorrow is the first name. So second is relational algebra. Third is your marathon test. Okay. So please be ready for marathon test which we'll be conducting on YouTube from 10 to 1. So don't miss tomorrow and day after tomorrow classes also. You will get answers. These questions you will get answers on day after tomorrow class. Okay. Thank you all.